Welcome to today's review on the IQAir HealthPro Plus XE air purifier. This device is an absolute game changer for anyone looking to breathe cleaner and healthier air in their home or office space. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in description below to get this air purifier at the best price in the market. The HealthPro Plus XE uses advanced HyperHEPA filtration that removes 99.995% of airborne particles down to 0.003 microns, and it excels at capturing dust, pollen, pet dander, smoke, odors, and even harmful chemicals like formaldehyde, giving you a sense of security and comfort that few other purifiers can offer. Its energy-efficient fan design is up to 3 times more efficient than previous models, which helps reduce electricity consumption without sacrificing performance, so you can run it all day and night without worrying about high power bills. The smart technology integration is seamless, allowing you to monitor and control the purifier remotely through the IQAir AirVisual app, so you always know the air quality status of your room and can adjust settings with ease. Automatic adjustment is another standout feature because the purifier has 3 smart modes that adapt filtration based on sensor readings, which not only maintains excellent air quality but also extends the life of the filters, saving you money over time. The build quality is excellent as it is designed and manufactured in Switzerland, ensuring durability, precision, and consistent performance for years to come. It is capable of covering large rooms up to 1,125 square feet, making it ideal for living rooms, bedrooms, or offices, and it performs well even in spaces where air pollution or allergens are high. The unit is easy to set up and operate with clear instructions and a simple interface, which makes it beginner-friendly yet sophisticated enough for tech enthusiasts who love real-time control and monitoring. While it is a premium product with a higher price point, the performance, value, and health benefits justify the investment. And once you experience the cleaner, fresher air, it becomes hard to imagine life without it. Some users may notice that replacement filters can be pricey, but considering the long-term protection and efficiency, it is a reasonable trade-off for superior air quality. Overall, the HealthPro Plus XE is quiet, efficient, reliable, and extremely effective at improving indoor air, which is crucial for people with allergies, asthma, or anyone living in urban environments with pollution concerns. It is stylish enough to blend into modern interiors and compact enough not to dominate your space while still providing maximum coverage and protection. This air purifier really sets the standard for what high-quality home air filtration should look like, and its combination of smart technology, automatic modes, energy efficiency, and Swiss engineering makes it one of the best options available on the market. The HealthPro Plus XE has received praise from hundreds of customers who have experienced cleaner air, better sleep, and less allergy irritation, and this positive feedback reflects the consistency and trustworthiness of the product. It handles smoke, odors, and pet dander exceptionally well, which makes it perfect for families, pet owners, or anyone sensitive to airborne irritants. Every feature has been designed with health and convenience in mind, giving you peace of mind knowing the air you breathe is cleaner and safer. Its performance in large rooms remains strong, and the intelligent fan system ensures that air circulation is effective throughout the space, so there are no dead zones. The maintenance is simple, and with timely filter changes, the purifier continues to operate at peak efficiency for years, providing unmatched value for its cost. Overall, it is a premium air purifier that truly delivers what it promises, offering advanced HyperHEPA filtration, smart features, energy efficiency, and Swiss precision in one robust package. Check the link in description below to explore more details, see current pricing, and secure your HealthPro Plus XE today, and start breathing better, cleaner air in your home or office immediately.